shortly after introducing the AQUOS S2 smartphone, has now unveiled the Sharp Aquos S3. The phone is set to launch on Jan. 2018 and it's a dual SIM LTE supportable Android phone which will run on Android Oreo 8.0. One of the highlights of the Sharp Aquos S3 is its dual surface glass design and 83.4% screen-to-body ratio. Now let us talk about other key features and full specifications of this device. The phone will have 5.8 inches display which will support 1440 by 2880 pixels 2K resolution. The primary camera of this device is of 12.0 MP having IMX362 camera and supports optical anti-shake, whereas the secondary front shooting camera is of 8.0 MP which is perfect for video calling and taking selfies in daylight. The phone is priced at a price tag of $440 and in stores, it will be available in two different colors: silver, red, green and violet color. Sharp Aquos S3 will be available in two different variants. One will sport 6GB of RAM and 64GB total internal storage, whereas the other variant will have 128GB of RAM and it's coupled with 6GB RAM. Sharp Aquos S3 is powered by 64-bit octa-core processor on Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 and will have graphics support. It measures 142.96x7.76x7.28 mm and the 5.8 inches big display is backed by 3230 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery. Also support Quick Charge 4.0. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 802 2.11b/g/n, Wi-Fi Direct, Bluetooth 5.0, Micro USB 2.0 support, NFC and GPS.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.